Control number 45556, please introduce yourself.
Good day, Madam and Sir. I'm Isel Arabaca, 36 years old, single mother, this with the 2 children. I have 2 brothers and I have 3 sisters.
What is your educational attainment?
I am high school graduate.
Why do you want to go to Hong Kong?
For the better future of my family, for
Have
the
you-
better life of my children.
Have you been to any country before as an OFW?
Yes, sir, Madam. I work as a local helper in Philippines for 2 years. I work also as OFW in Saudi Arabia for 8 years and 6 months.
Do you have experience in taking care of old person?
No, ma'am, but I'm willing to learn taking care of the elderly.
Do you have experience in taking care of newly born babies and children? What can you do for babies?
Yes, sir, Madam. I have experience for taking care of the newborn baby. I'm changing the diaper, taking a bath, feeding slowly, play with them.
Aside from your daily household works, what other special skills you can do inside the house?
Cooking, cleaning.
Can you cook? What foreign dishes can you cook?
For the Chinese cuisine, I'm willing to learn. I'm willing to cook for the Chinese cuisine, and I cook for the Filipino food like adobo, calamaris.
Describe yourself as a housemaid. What are characteristics that your employer will like you?
Honesty, trustworthy, and hardworking.
Do you misunderstanding with your employer? What do you do?
I apologize and I say sorry.
Describe the relationship with your past and present employer. How do they treat you?
They are better with me. They treat me like as their family.
Message for your future employer in Hong Kong.
For my future employer, I will finish my contract for 2 years and more than. I will take rules and regulations, and I will treat your family as my own family. I will treat your children as my own children too.